What are code snippets in Sublime Text?
The code snippets in Sublime Text are short, predefined pieces of code that you can insert quickly into your files. They help you avoid repetitive typing, reduce errors, and speed up your workflow. Programmers often use snippets for boilerplate code, common functions, or frequently used patterns. Sublime Text makes it easy to create and manage these useful tools for a wide range of programming languages.
Creating your first code snippet.
To create a snippet in Sublime Text, start by selecting Tools, then Developer, and choose New Snippet. A template will open, where you can write the code you wish to reuse. The content area holds your snippet, and you can add placeholders with $signs for easy editing later. Give your snippet a clear description and a trigger keyword for quick access.
Saving and organizing snippets.
When you finish editing your snippet, save the file with the .sublime snippet extension. Place it in the user folder found in Sublime Text's Packages directory. This keeps your snippets organized and easy to retrieve. You can also group related snippets together or create separate files for different programming languages and tasks, ensuring your workflow stays efficient.
Deploying snippets in your workflow.
Using a snippet is simple. In your code editor, start typing the snippet's unique trigger word. Sublime Text will show an autocomplete suggestion. Press Tab to insert the full code instantly. You can move between placeholder fields using Tab, allowing you to customize the inserted code on the fly. This turns repetitive tasks into streamlined, error-free actions.
Tips for effective snippet management.
Keep your snippets concise and well-documented to avoid confusion. Use clear trigger words that don't conflict with other commands. Regularly review and update your snippet collection as your coding needs change. Back up your snippets to prevent data loss. With consistent management, code snippets in Sublime Text can dramatically boost your productivity and keep your coding sessions focused and efficient.